Physical marketing techniques. Design a stunning sample album to show your potential clients. An online portfolio is good for reaching out to as many people as possible, but when you have a face-to-face meeting, a beautiful sample album might be your best tool to win clients. Seeing images in print makes it easier for the potential clients to visualize how the photos will look. Bring a sample album everywhere you go, from consultation meetings with clients to trade fairs or any other place where you can potentially make deals. Create beautiful personalized packaging and show it off. While packaging is not the main reason why people would choose a photographer, it helps to add a plus to your photography business. There's also another advantage. It's good for publicity on social media. People on Instagram especially appreciate good visuals, and a lovely packaging will get people curious to at least look at your profile. Send your clients holiday cards. Holidays are the opportunity to get in touch with your existing clients, apart from special occasions like birthdays or anniversaries. Send them cards to wish them a happy holiday, and include discount vouchers they can use for them or their friends and family.